If you're like me, you probably get pretty frustrated with how expensive things are and how hard it seems to earn a living. There's always something that needs to be done and never enough hours in the day. So how can you find the time to earn more money when you're already so busy? Well, what if I told you that you could start a side hustle today in the comfort of your home and make some extra money with a lot less time spent than finding a part-time job out in the real world? That's right, no muss, no fuss. The possibilities are endless with a work-from-home setup. You can choose when to work and where. You can work in your favorite coffee shop, your bedroom, or even on your balcony. The more sources of income you have, the brighter your future will seem. And it should come as no surprise that the typical billionaire often has multiple sources of revenue in order to diversify their income. Hello, I'm Kim, and today I'm going to share 5 online side hustles that you can start without any prior experience or special skills, all from the comfort of your own home. Without further ado, let's jump in. The first side hustle is being a blogger. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, look no further than being a blog writer for hire. Depending on your skill level and the demand for your services, you could earn anywhere from $30 to $65 per hour. Many businesses have blogs, but don't have the time or resources to keep them updated. If you can provide quality, consistent content, you could earn a nice income from this side hustle. To get started, advertise your services on websites such as Fiverr or LinkedIn or Upwork. Once you build up a few satisfied clients, word of mouth will do the rest. Amazing! The second side hustle on our list is being a virtual assistant. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, becoming a virtual assistant or VA is a great option. The great thing about being a VA is that you can often set your own hours and work around your other commitments. And as the demand for VAs continue to grow, so does the potential to earn higher rates. If you're getting started, you can expect to make between $25 to $35 per hour. Yet, I have observed seasoned VAs earning at least $60 per hour. Depending on who you're working with, the tasks may vary and range from reading research papers, to making appointments, to putting data into spreadsheets, to viewing TikTok videos. Believe it or not, I know someone who employs virtual assistants for the sole purpose of watching TikTok. So, if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle, becoming a virtual assistant is definitely worth considering. So far, I've listed a few side jobs where you are essentially trading time for money. But we also need to talk about side hustles with a potential for passive income. These may require some initial work and time, but allow you to eventually earn money while you sleep. Third on our list is making an online course. This could be a great option for you because an online course, you can share your knowledge and expertise with others and earn money by doing something that you're passionate about. There are many advantages to creating an online course. For one, it's a great way to share your knowledge with others. If you have a skill or expertise that others would be willing to pay to learn, then an online course is a great way to monetize that. Once you create the course, you can sell it over and over again without having to put in any extra work, except for marketing the course to new students. If you're interested in creating an online course, the first step is to decide what you would like to teach. Consider your passions or what your colleagues have requested you to teach them. This will most likely point you in the right direction. Once you have an idea of what you'd like to teach, the next step is to develop the course content. This includes creating videos, writing lectures or articles, and anything else that will help you deliver the content to your students. Once you have the course content created, the next step is to promote it. You can promote your online course through social media, your website, or other online channels. The key is to reach as many potential students as possible and get them excited about taking your course. Side hustle number 4 is making digital products. When it comes to making money, digital products are a great option. They're easy to create and distribute, and there's a huge demand if you have the right one. But how do you get started selling digital products? Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, find your niche. What kind of digital products are you selling? There's a wide range of possibilities, from ebooks to software to online courses. Figure out what you're good at and what people are willing to pay for. Second, create a sales page. This is where you'll convince potential customers to buy your product. Make sure your page is well written and provides all the necessary information about your product. The third step is to promote your product. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to get the word out about your digital product. The fourth and final step is to get feedback and make improvements. Be open to criticism and use it to make your product even better. Keep iterating. Selling digital products can be a great way to make money online. Just be sure to do your research and start promoting your product early on. With a little effort, I'm pretty sure that you will rock the sales. Whew! This topic is really exciting. Do you find social media daunting or time-consuming? Well, the fifth side hustle is managing a company or a business owner's social media accounts. This is where you assist in content creation and social media posting. If you're good at social media and enjoying engaging with others online, then you could make a great social media manager. As a social media manager, you would be responsible for creating and uploading content, as well as responding to comments and messages. If you're interested in this side business idea, then you need to know that there is a demand for social media managers. Many business owners are aware of the value of social media, but lack the time or motivation to actively participate in it. Thus, if you can propose to step in, generate, and upload the content for them, this might be an extremely profitable side business for you, especially if you get a large client. Just to give you an illustration, last month, someone I know paid a social media manager roughly $600 to develop daily Instagram content for her business. All they had to do was come up with 2 weeks' worth of content. So if you're strategic, you could potentially earn more than $50 per hour from this side business idea. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for new and exciting ways to make some extra cash. And what better way to do that than with an online side hustle? The journey of becoming a billionaire isn't easy, but with hard work and perseverance, I'm sure that you can do it. And to help you, watch this video where I talk about the rules of money that you can use to save even more. See you there!